Take one. Hi, I'm Tobyn Excell at Sæl Projects, and this is a real chef collaboration with real kombucha. You can smell it already. Wild garlic likes to grow on streams, like banks of streams. What we call wild garlic is usually what you'd find as ramson, which is allium ursinum or bear garlic. See? Whole bank here. Whether you're in Wales or Scotland or Northern England, Cornwall, you're going to find some wild garlic somewhere. Walthamstow marshes, Hackney marshes, there'll be some wild garlic there at the moment. You can quite easily identify ramson, more from the smell than anything else. It's got broad leaves, quite matte green colour, but mainly you just crush it up and smell it. And it just absolutely stinks of garlic, which is wonderful. Because it's grown in the wild and not cultivated, it's going to have competing species and not all of them are good for you. For instance, I'm picking in and around dog mercury, which is a very interesting plant, but it's also not very good for you. Another broadleaf plant here on the edge. This is called cuckoo pint, or lords and ladies. It's an arum, and it's really toxic, so you don't want to be confusing those two. They're actually pretty easy to tell the difference of. They're these sort of earlobes at the bottom of the leaf of arums, which are quite distinctive, and obviously they don't smell like garlic, which is the easiest identifier. You can always message us at Sæl Projects and send a picture and we'll identify it for you. So we've been foraging and we've found some ramsons. So we're going to make a dish with some cauliflower, some brown crab that I had, and make a sauce from that, and some eggs, and finish up with the ramsons. So we're going to start by cooking the cauliflower in some Marmite, because I think we've probably all got a bit of Marmite kicking about. So we're just going to make a stock with Marmite and water and boil the cauliflowers in that. So we've got 3 eggs and 100 grams of brown crab meat and a splash of Lea and Perrins, and we're just going to cook that in what's called a bain-marie, so just a bowl over a shallow pan of boiling water. I'm emulsifying some butter into it. Glossy, briny crab sauce here. I'm just going to season it with some kombucha. Alright, so we've got our cauliflower, which is yeasty and umami loveliness from the Marmite. And then we've got our crab sauce, which has been seasoned with lovely kombucha. More fermented, healthy goodness. We're going to finish it with these ramsons. We're just going to blanch them like super fast for a second or so, like this. Then we got some flowers just picked from the garden. Primroses are super abundant, they are just everywhere right now. Really delicious, got that kind of sugary pollen burst, and yeah, horseradish oil. But you can use just a little bit of horseradish cream or whatever you have in the cupboard. If you've got grated fresh horseradish, that'd be amazing. So we're pairing this with a lovely bottle of real kombucha. This is the Dried Dragon. Got nice citrus notes to pair with a light crab dish. It's going to be very tasty.